Okay, we're going to be finding the equation of a parabola through these points. These points right here. Oh boy. So we're going to use the matrix to find the parabola, and all we need to be able to do is put this into the equation. So how are we going to make a matrix? What we have to do is we have to plug in the x values into my equation. So we're going to plug in -3, and so we're going to get a times -3 squared, right? And then we're going to say plus b times -3 plus c equals 13. Equals 13. That's this guy right there. See, that's the y. This is the x value, that's the y value. So you made one equation right there. What if I put -1 in? Well, then I would have a times -1 squared plus b times -1 plus c equals, what's the y value over here? Well, it's 5, right? So this is equal to 5. And then the last equation is going to use 1 and 9. So we know 9's the answer over here. And then 1 squared plus, what is that? B times 1 plus C. Plus C. All right. Now maybe I can write it better over here like that. So I know that this guy is 9, right? So that's really 9a. 9a plus, what do I have there? -3, so that's really minus 3b plus c equals 13. And then 1a minus b plus c equals 5, right? And then 1a plus b plus c equals 9. So there is my 3 equations with 3 unknowns. Hey, I know I can use my matrix. So let's use the matrix to solve this guy. And we're going to find the equation of the parabola. I know you don't believe me, but I'm going to do it. Yep, we're going to do it. Actually, you and me together. So if you'll put that in your calculator, while I put this in my calculator, we can solve it. All right? First, I have to find my calculator. Oh, aquí está. You got a head start. All right, so we're going to matrix. Maybe this doesn't need to be on right now. What do you think? Maybe we could just have a little bright window. Is that going to be good enough? Maybe. Who knows? Okay, let's put in the values. So I know that I go to my matrix, and I'm going to edit my 3 by 3 matrix. And I've got 9, -3, 1, and then 1, -1, 1, and then +1, +1, +1. Okay. And then I need to edit, my matrix 2, my matrix B. It's a 3 by 1. And the first number is 13, the next number is 5, and the last number is 9. Remember how we solve it is we do A inverse, so I have to do A, then hit the -1 key, then times matrix B. So, what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? We get 1.5, 2, and 5.5. That's the equation of this matrix. A inverse times B gives you the values for each of these things. So if I make my equation, oops, clear that out. Clear that out. I've got to have, where's my equation? Oh yeah, 1.5, I forgot my answers. 1.52 and 5.5. All right. Stop it. Stop it, I said. Oh, I'm going there. 1.5 x squared plus 2x plus 5.5. So that's what they said. 1, 2, 5.5. Ta-da. And we get the answers to this question. And let's graph this puppy. Where's my graph? There's my graph. Look at that. Ta-da! We did it. We did it. Look at that. Ta-da! -3 is 13. There it is. -1 is 5. No problem. +1 is 9. We did it. Ta-da! So what's the equation to the problem? Or what's the answer to the equation? The answer is what is the parabola? This is the parabola. Okay. We're done when we know the equation of the parabola. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. So you know what to do now. I'm going to give you some points. You're going to put those points in. -6, 25. -1. -20. Oh boy. And one more. 2, 49. Oh boy. Oh joy, oh bliss. Right? So, we're writing the equation of the parabola that has those values. So remember, you're putting 6 in here where x goes, and you're squaring it. So -6 goes in here squared. Then plus b times -6 plus c equals 25. This is x, this is y, right? So that's what we're looking for. We're trying to make sure that we're using the values that they give us, right? Oops, did I erase over here? I guess that stuff is in your way over there. You can't really see what's going on, right? All right, so let's do the next one. -1. So a times -1 squared plus b times -1 plus c is -20. And then a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c equals 49. Now then, I know what that is. That's 36. 36a plus minus 6b plus c equals 25. And then 1a minus b plus c equals -20. And then 4a, because 2 squared is 4, plus 2b plus c equals 49. Ta-da! We got our new matrix. We're going to be able to find the parabola that goes through those 2 points. No problem at all. So remember, what do you do? You have to enter, edit matrix A. So you're going to have 36, -6, and 1. And then you're going to have 1, -1, and 1. And then you're going to have 4, 2, and 1. Right? Then you have to go edit matrix B. So I'm going to put in 25, -20, and 49. Looky there. Woo-woo. Then I have to say A inverse times B What do I get? Oh my goodness, look at that. 4, 19, negative 5. Let's check it out. 4x squared plus 19 minus 5 equals y. That's the equation of the parabola that goes through those 3 points. Hallelujah! We did it. You should be able to do that part of today's homework. Yay! Bye-bye.